Hello guys, welcome back to Nikos Minis. As you can see here, we will create today this base, this mini diorama for the Ninja Turtle that I painted recently. This is my first time actually that I built something from scratch, a diorama. So I hope you will stay till the very end. So let's start with the first step. As the first step, I choose the size of the board that I'm interested in, and I glued the pieces together. After the glue dries, I will cover the whole area with black. So I glued the base together, I primed in black, and now I will try to paint those larger bricks in grayish tones. Some basic sketch. Let's see how it turns. It don't need to be perfect. I mean, we try to build some sewers. So the first sketch of the base is ready. I will go into details later on. Now I will glue together some bricks. I bought them in a children's gaming store. They look like bricks, nearly 100%. And I will mix some glue with some grayish color, and let's find out how it will look. So the basic shape of the floor is nearly done. As you can see, it already looks very good. So I will add now two walls, and yeah, we'll show you the end result. So as you can see guys, I have built the walls. For the holes in the sewers I used some old tape to hold the bricks. I will fill the holes with some cement later on. For now I leave it for a couple of days to dry because it's not fragile, but I don't want to ruin it. As you can see guys, I have finished the walls on both sides actually, and now I will fill some larger gaps with elastic mortar. So I have thinned down the mortar. I hope this is how this is called, to more liquid state. It was simply too thick, and with a very old brush I will fix the gaps. And before the whole thing dries, with a wet tissue, I want to wipe out the excess. So I want to fill only the larger holes. I do not want it to play with cement. This will make also the job. I think it looks already very cool, and now I will do the same thing for the rest of the diorama. So I have filled the gaps, as you can see. I will let it to dry for now and will prepare the pipe. So I glued some plastic pieces together, as you can see, and will cover the whole with black and afterwards with some metallic colors. But you will see it in the process. So I painted some graffitis on the wall, as you can see, and for this I used some stencils from Vallejo, and for the surroundings I used some ordinary marker to pop the graffiti up. In the meantime, I have painted the created pipe with Vallejo Capa, and I will darken this up with some wildwood, but in the meantime I will use some oil wash and will darken the walls from the diorama itself with some heavy diluted oil wash because it's still too bright in my opinion. And the pipe I will create some effects after I glued it to the main diorama. So the pipe is mounted. Now I take Rundfang steel and some ordinary sponge to create some scratches on the surface of the pipe. So I take the sponge, I dip it in Rundfang steel. The excess I will wipe out, and I will do some random scratches on the surface of the pipe. Something like this. After I did the scratches on the pipe, I will use some diluted Nihilane oxide to add the final touch. I would suggest that you really dilute the oxide because this technical paint is quite heavy, and it is better to add two different layers instead of using it straight from the pot. Now I will wrap it up by gluing our turtle to the base, and I will show you the end result. So this is the final result after I glued the turtle to the base. I hope you like it. I have quite fun to do it from scratch. So if you enjoyed this little tutorial, please like and subscribe, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye!